Second video on accounting vouchers in Tally. Sales voucher. The shortcut key is function key F8. Sales voucher is a form of a receipt or documentation commonly given to a buyer or a customer of supplies or goods. This is used for both cash sales as well as credit sales. If it is credit sales, it has to be recorded only in sales voucher. If it is cash sales, it can be recorded either in sales voucher or receipt voucher. There can be only two modes, as invoice mode or as voucher mode. In voucher mode, we can have only ledger accounts. But whereas in case of invoice mode, apart from ledger accounts, we can provide even inventory information like name of the item, quantity, rate per unit, amount. Depending on the nature of the business, it can be created in the invoice mode or voucher mode. In invoice mode, we can print and provide a copy of invoice to the customer also. In sales voucher, party's account name means ledger to be debited. Write cash in case of cash sales. This voucher records all the entries which are relating to sales. We need to enter item details if inventory value gets affected due to sale. This is very useful when no entry is made via invoice. One example for sales transaction will be sold goods of rupees 5,000. Next one is purchase voucher. The shortcut key for this one will be function key F9. Purchase voucher will be used when a company buys goods on credit or cash. Purchase voucher is used to record all purchase transactions of the company. This voucher type is used for both the types of purchases, credit as well as cash. If it is credit, it has to be recorded only in purchase voucher. If it is in the form of cash, it can also be recorded in payment voucher. There can be only two modes, invoice mode, voucher mode. Whereas in case of voucher mode, we will be having only ledger accounts. But whereas in case of invoice mode, apart from ledger accounts, we can even provide the inventory information like name of the item, quantity, rate, amount. Party's account name means ledger to be credited. Write cash in case of cash purchases. This voucher records all the entries which are relating with purchase. Purchase of fixed asset cannot be recorded in this voucher. If inventory values are to be affected for purchase accounts, in case of accounts with inventory companies, item details have also been mentioned. One example transaction for this voucher will be purchased goods of rupees 3,000. Next voucher, credit note. The shortcut key for this one will be Control plus F8. Even we call sales return voucher in Tally. Credit note is a document issued to a party stating that you are crediting their account in your books of account for the stated reason or vice versa. It can be entered in voucher or invoice mode. Company has sold the goods to the customer. The goods which were sold were defective, faulty, or maybe some other reason. In that case, customer will return back the goods to the company. In that case, that particular entry has to be recorded in credit note voucher, stating the reason. Credit note voucher will not be activated in Tally. It has to be activated. To do the activation, this can be done from Gateway of Tally or from the voucher window. Just press the function key F11. This will take us to company features or Tally features. In that, we have to go back to accounting or inventory features. Under this, we have to select the section invoicing. In invoicing, use debit credit notes, make it S. Once this is activated, then we can record the transaction in this particular voucher. To record the transaction in credit note, the procedure will be Gateway of Tally, accounting, vouchers. One transaction example for credit note voucher will be sales returns of defective goods from Mr. Samir, rupees 1500. The next voucher will be debit note voucher. The shortcut key for this one will be Ctrl plus F9. Even we call this one as purchase returns in Tally or purchase returns voucher in Tally. Debit note is a document issued to a party stating that you are debiting their account in your books of accounts for the stated reason or vice versa. Debit note can be entered in voucher or invoice mode. Think that a company has done the purchase of goods from the supplier. The goods which are purchased are defective, faulty, or maybe some other reason. In that case, the company will return the goods back to the supplier. In that case, a particular entry has to be recorded in debit note voucher. Debit note voucher will not be activated. We have to do the activation. To do the activation, this can be done either from the Gateway of Tally or maybe from the voucher window also by pressing the function key F11. This will take us to company features or Tally features. Under that, we have to go back to accounting or inventory features. In accounting or inventory features, we have to select the section invoicing. There comes out with use debit or credit notes, make it S. Once this is enabled, we can record the transaction. To pass this entry, just go to the Gateway of Tally, accounting, vouchers. One transaction example for this voucher will be return goods of rupees 1500 to Ramesh.